One day, Christian Dior himself was walking through the street of Paris and he kind of tripped over a star. And for him, it was a sign. It was a sign for him to create his maison de couture. And so because it's a lucky star, we fuse it into our lipsticks. Oh, it's Cara.
Hi, Peter.
What's up?
So thank you for the new Dior Addict Halo Shine, but can you tell me a bit more about them?
So, well, this is actually a new version of the Dior Addict Stellar lipstick. Same glide, same comfort, same color payoff, just with that little extra touch of shine.
So this is the Dior Lucky Star shining in the middle of the lipstick. That's amazing. So for my party tonight, what shade should I wear?
Well, it comes in a range of 15 shades. There are rosewoods, bricks, reds, browns. You can almost say that each shade is like a lucky charm. Let me pick for you my 4 favorite shades. Hold on, I'm going to swipe on my arm for you so you can see them, all right? Sorry, 976 Dior Star, 536 Lucky Star, then we have 667 Pink Star, and then we have 669 Superstar.
I think I'm going to go for the 976 Dior Star. Let me apply it with your help. Thanks for the lessons, Peter. Okay. It is so smooth. My lips are automatically softer. Look how shiny it is. Okay, Peter, thank you so much for your help. See you soon.
Have a great night and see you soon. Bye-bye, take care.
Bye.
So the Dior Addict Stellar lip gloss comes in 12 amazing shades, which you can mix and match with Dior Addict Stellar Hello Shine lipstick. Maybe actually I should give Cara an update on this because she's gonna love it.